Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel SL3. Affordable and portable, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 shines as the best budget DSLR camera. Right away, you'll notice how lightweight and easy to carry it is. Perfect for those spontaneous photo adventures. Its simple control layout means you won't feel overwhelmed if you're new to DSLRs. The fully articulated touchscreen allows you to take shots from any angle, adding flexibility to your creative process. With the same APS-C sensor found in the pricier Canon EOS Rebel T8i, you won't miss out on quality images either. However, the autofocus system is a bit basic compared to higher models. It might need some patience and fast-paced settings. Some photographers might also prefer the larger grip and ergonomics of the T8i, but the Rebel SL3 is still quite comfortable to handle for most. If you're a beginner, you might find the Nikon D3500 intriguing. It's even simpler, with a handy guide shooting mode that teaches you as you go. Still, the SL3 offers more features, including a fully articulated screen and 4K video capability, something the D3500 lacks. I love the blend of size, usability, and image quality the SL3 brings to the table. It's designed for those who want great photos without the hefty price or bulk. Some trade-offs are there, but they pale in comparison to its benefits. It's a gem in the world of budget DSLR cameras.